So basically today we are going to space. So first thing the human need is the human waste management to survive in the space. So in survive in the space we have create some waste management system in the space. Basically in the space fecal management and urine management is the two important thing which we have to see look upon it. So basically we create one model here where it is the blower. We have created the differential pressure inside the crew module inside this system, so that the urine can collect urine with the cabin air will come inside this, and it will go through the odors removal system, so that we can again resend this air to the cabin. Before that urine system, the liquid and air separation is the major challenge. For that we are providing some separator part, static separator part, where we are providing the PBA, polyvinyl alcohol foam, which will separate the liquid and air part. It will collect the liquid and it will send the air to this order recycle system, where the order will be get removed and it will supply to the cabin. Next part is the fecal management system. So when astronaut will come, it will just simply put the lid up and it will put the bag inside. Bag will be the semi-permeable bag, air permeable bag, which will collect the solid, which will only collect liquid and solid part, and the air it will pass through. So air will have some moisture. To remove the moisture, we have provided some water remover there in the box, and that water when it will get absorbed, that water air will pass through that same pipeline, and it will get the odor will removed and it will pass through the cabin. Now what happened to the fecal solid and liquid part? Fecal solid and liquid part will get collected in that bag, and we have put some inside this. There is one iris mechanism is there. So iris mechanism is basically, it will, when liquid the solid and liquid part will put in the bag, it will go down with the help of manual comparator. Manual comparator will directly put it down, and with the help of remote control we open the iris, we will put it down in a container, and it will get collected there. Next time when another astronaut will come, he will put the clean bag there, and they do the same procedure, everything. All will be handled with the remote control or manual control. This is the whole system of the space toilet.